Hello my dear friends. So today I am going to show you if any EC2 instance is not working, like not be able to connect. So this video is for you. Okay, so this is very simple method. Let me tell you about my situation. Okay, from yesterday I was not be able to connect EC2 instance. Okay, so and I'm not be able to understand that why I'm not be able to connect with EC2 instance. So after exploring many things, so one things I have got that time. Okay, so let me show you real scenario. Let's suppose that I'm creating an instance. Okay, so launch instance and then provide the name EC2 instance, and now select any of the machines. Okay, like I'm selected Ubuntu. Okay, so I'm creating a key pair name like my key. Okay, .pem. So key file is downloaded, right? Now create a security group. Now just launch instances. Okay, and I have done basic things like default settings I have used. Okay, so now come to the instance page. Okay, refresh EC2 instance. Okay, this one is I have created. So when I'm going to connect it, some wait. Okay, now its state is running. Okay, so let me connect it. Connect EC2 instance and then click here on the connect button. Just wait for a moment. As you can see here, this error is coming all the time. Okay, from yesterday. VPC. Okay, so jump to the VPC. Okay, come to your VPC section, and now this is a default VPC. So my internet gateway is detached with default VPC, right? So this is a default internet gateway and it must be attached with default VPC, right? So what I'm doing, I'm just attached to my default VPC, attached VPC. Okay, select default VPC and attach internet gateway, right? So now it is attached with my default VPC. Okay, so now come to the EC2 instance section and refresh here. Okay, so now click on connect and come here with connect. Just wait for a moment. Here you go, issue is resolved, right? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.